The Royal Trail, Kungsleden, is a 400-kilometer adventure along one of the world's best hiking trails. It was an initiative by the Swedish Tourist Association, STF, in the beginning of the 1900s. Kungsleden has an extensive system of trails and huts, which allows a very light backpack, since you can stay in a cabin every night. This makes it suitable for both beginners as well as more experienced hikers. It's easy to hike during the winter as well, since many of the mountain huts are manned all year round.
The water tastes terrific!
So now we are at the 𝗃𝗶𝗶 Pass, and it's the highest pass on Kungsleden. And as you can see to my left, we have new fallen snow here all summer. Oh.
The landscape's constantly changing. You can see all kinds of interesting flora, such as alpine plants, as well as roaring waterfalls and rippling mountain streams. The chief goal for many hikers are the white peaks of 𝗃𝗶𝗃, Sweden's highest mountain, standing 2,104 meters tall. Peace and harmony are easily attained in this wondrous environment, with its fresh air, breathtaking views, and untamed nature to explore.